This is how my day starts on a nutmeg farm. Early morning, I grab my tools and head to the garden. Cleaning around nutmeg trees, removing unwanted weeds, and keeping the base clean. Good airflow to the roots is very important. Healthy roots mean better growth and higher yield. At noon, a fresh king coconut from the garden. Drink the water. Eat the soft kernel. And even share some with my dog. Then it's back to work till evening. Simple life, honest work. Nature gives the reward. This is my daily routine. Please subscribe.